This code snippet is for recording user interactions on the using the sending them to.
This code snippet is for recording user interactions on a web page using the rrweb library, sending them to the backend server for further processing or analysis. Here's a breakdown of what each part does. Let events equals. This initializes an empty array called events to store the recorded user interaction events. rrweb.record. This function call initiates the recording of user interactions on the web page using the rrweb library. It takes an object with an emit method as an argument. The emit method is called whenever an event occurs during the recording. Emit, event, events.push, event. This is the implementation of the emit method passed to rrweb.record. It simply pushes each event object into the events array. Function save. This function is responsible for sending the recorded events to the backend server for storage or further processing. It creates a JSON string containing the events array, resets the events array to an empty array, and then sends a post request to the backend server with the JSON data. $window.bind beforeunload function. This binds an event handler to the beforeunload event of the window, which is triggered just before the browser unloads the page, e.g., when the user navigates away from the page or refreshes it. When this event occurs, the save function is called to send the recorded events to the backend. To use this code, include the rrweb library in your project. Implement the save function to handle sending events to your backend server. Bind the beforeunload event to call the save function when the page is about to unload. Make sure to handle the received events on the backend server appropriately, such as storing them in a database or performing analysis.